Miracles don't start at comfort zones. Sometimes they start with one word. Come.
Well, I was crashing, little night, fear in the boat, faith out of sight. Jesus walking where logic town. What they think, man, this can't be now.
Put it say, if this you coming night. Real fake, don't play safe, it's coming right. Jesus gonna strain, don't break it down. One word shifts everything will rhyme. He didn't say wait, he didn't say put clear, he say come. Fake moves with fears there, while some stay stuck in a bowl of control. He just steps out, supernatural on his soul.
Faith don't move by what it sees, it moves by what God speaks. Step out the boat, walk it out, try to drown, you won't stop you now.
When fear sends back,
Jesus says go.
Supernatural move.
When faith says so, step out the boat, walk it out, don't try to drown, you won't stop you now.
When fear sends back,
Jesus says go.
Supernatural move.
When faith says so.
Today the boats come from routine control. Smoke say hiding behind being careful deals, anxiety, opinions online. Ways look different, pressure still the same, but the same Christ who walk at sea still calls people like you and me. Scriptures in the righteous live by faith, not by feelings, not by what makes sense. That way to calm, to obey the call. Jesus didn't steal the storm, he taught him to walk, do it all.
Miracles don't happen to spectators, they happen to responders. Step out the boat. Tuesday, movement activates, heaven's grace. If Jesus wrote, trust the sign. No matter call, one phone to let you drown. Tuesday, movement activates, heaven's grace. If Jesus wrote, trust the sign. No matter call, one phone to let you drown.
Peter Saints when he shifted his eyes, where they could sink and Jesus would by his side. Failure and faith him get into the call. They teach independence, not to find a fall. Jesus didn't grab him with shame or blame. He pulled him up, still called him by name. Those who try might sit some time, but those who never step out never see the fly.
Faith don't move by what it sees, it moves by what God speaks. Step out the boat, walk it out, you try to drown, you won't stop you now.
If you see that,
Jesus says go.
Supernatural move.
When faith says so, step out the boat, hey, walk it out, or try to drown, you won't stop you now. We still say Jesus says go. Supernatural move. When faith says so.
Today the roast come from rotating control. Small faith hiding behind being careful. Bills, anxiety, opinions online. Wave look different, pressure still the same, but the same price. Who walk that seat still call people like you and me. Scriptures in the righteous live by faith, not by feelings. Never what makes sense that way. To obey the call.
Jesus didn't steal the star.
Saw him to walk through it all.
Miracles don't happen to spectators, they happen to responders. Tuesday, movement activates, heaven's grace. If Jesus spoke, trust the sound. No other love gonna let you drown. Tuesday, walk it out, would try to drown, you won't stop it now. We feel safe, Jesus says so. Supernatural move.
Fit his sight, and he shifted his eyes, but even sinking, Jesus is by his side. Tell young Fetty, it ain't end of the call. You teach his dependence, not a fine fall. Jesus didn't grab him with shame or rain. He pulled him up, then called him by name. Those who try might snick some, but those who never step out never see the vine.
John Wesley said, give me 100 men who fear nothing but sin and desire nothing but God, and they will shake the world.
Final.
Step out the boat. Now's the time This ain't about a wave, it's about the voice that calls your life. And keep it calm, you're not alone. The battle, the water makes solid ground.
Step out the boat.
Another time.
Step out the boat.
Step out the boat.
Step out the boat. Now leave again. Supernatural mode. When fate says so. The boat feels safe.
But faith was never meant to stay there.
The boat feels safe.
The boat feels safe, but faith was never meant to stay there.